So the reason why you want to remove this is because you want the baffle plate to sit flush against this wall so you don't have any flames coming through. What's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys a product from Lavalock, and this is the baffle plate for the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn reverse flow smoker. This baffle plate, unlike the baffle plate for the Highland, this is a solid baffle plate, and this is because we have the stack on the opposite side, so we want all that heat and smoke to go underneath the plate and nothing can escape, and it comes back over the top to go over the top of the meat to give you that good finish that you want from a baffle plate. So let me show you guys how we install this, and I'm going to show you guys a few things about the Longhorn that is different from the Highland.
What are the benefits of a baffle plate? One, it allows for even side-to-side heat distribution, it prevents hot spots and burn ends, improves temperature control, and it also gives you the ability to use the entire cooking grate surface. Make sure you check out a baffle plate in the description below.
Notice this lip here on the Longhorn. This is where the grates are gonna go. In this grill, unlike the Highland, there's this lip that was right here, and we had to remove that with a metal grinder. So if you have that lip in your Longhorn, just go ahead and remove that so that we can get the baffle plate in. So the reason why you want to remove this is because you want the baffle plate to sit flush against this wall so you don't have any flames coming through the gap right here. So let me show you guys how the baffle plate sits in the smoker. So this is how the baffle plate sits. The grates will go on top, and now when your heat comes in from your firebox, the heat will be pushed underneath the baffle plate. It will travel out of the smoker through the exhaust on this side, and that is the true way you run the reverse flow offset. So if you want to know more about this product, the links are going to be down in the description below this video. Make sure you go check out lavalock.com.